Such a beautiful town of Sollefteå. Good morning from beautiful Sollefteå. It's a little gloomy day, but I think it's perfect for a little walk. It is 13, 14 degrees, 15 degrees maybe. And I'm gonna take you around Sollefteå Gågatan, the center, the main street of Sollefteå, and I'll show you just some of the nice buildings that I like and their history. Gamla Tingshuset, or Sollefteå's architectural treasure. Nestled just off the main street in Sollefteå stands one of Sweden's most striking buildings. This is one of my favorite houses in Sollefteå. I think it's a private house though, and people actually live here. So I can't really go in and show you around. I don't think I can. And I say Sweden's most striking buildings, Gamla Tingshuset, or the old courthouse. It's built in 1906 and it's designed by the renowned architect Folke Zettervall. But it is so beautiful though, and it's one of the good one of my iconic. It melts a lot of different styles and vibes. It's so cool. This national romantic masterpiece blends elements of Norse mythology, medieval fortress, and Scandinavian folk architecture. Its red brick facade, tall tower, and steep gables make it look more like a castle from a storybook than a courthouse. Back in the day, this building served as the heart of justice for the entire Ångermanland district. It held courtrooms, offices, and legal chambers. So beautiful. I'm trying to go around it like all the way. But it's so nice, so magical. Should we live here? Would you like to live kind of here in this type of house? All beneath its dramatic wooden beams and intricate ornamentation. Although it no longer serves as a courthouse today, Gamla Tingshuset remains a beloved landmark, often praised as one of Sweden's most beautiful public buildings. Its favorite spot for photographers, architecture lovers, and anyone looking to experience a slice of local history. I'm going to the next destination and yeah. Whether you're exploring Sollefteå on foot or just curious about hidden gems in the north of Sweden, this building is a must-see. You have seen it in my other videos, but this is the main street, Gågatan. This is our public folktandsvården in Sollefteå. This is the theater, the dance, and the cinema, Folkets hus. And this is the main Gågatan. It's so cool how in Swedish Gågatan is literally the go street, like the street that you actually walk on. And the first thing that we find in the Gågatan, the street that you walk on, is actually Jonna Jinton's shop. This is the little square, town square, that had a big tent. In the center of Sollefteå, along the main street, stands a building that looks like it belongs in a fairy tale. Gamla Apotekshuset, or the Old Pharmacy. It's built in 1889 and it's designed by the architect Niklas Wahrgren. This striking red brick building was once home to the town's pharmacy. Its bold neo-Gothic style with medieval-inspired turrets and towers, pointed arches and ornate detailing makes it one of the most unique buildings in the region. But it's more than just beautiful, it is historic. For nearly a century, it served as a vital part of the community's healthcare. Today, it's home to the Sollefteå Museum and it's the town library, bibliotek, making it a living part of local culture. Gamla Apotekshuset was declared a listed heritage building in 1984, ensuring its preservation for generations to come. It's a place where architecture, history and community come together, and it's absolutely worth a visit when you're walking through the town center. Tucked along Sollefteå's main street stands a piece of living history. It's Hotel Appelberg. Built in 1882, this charming wooden hotel is one of the oldest, still in operation in northern Sweden hotels. It was founded by Erik Appelberg, a local entrepreneur, and quickly became a preferred lodging for travelers, dignitaries, and even royalty. Among its guests were King Oscar II, King Gustav V, and King Chulalongkorn of Siam during his European tour. Inside, the atmosphere still breathes 19th century elegance with cozy rooms, creaky wooden floors, and timeless hospitality. It's more than just a place to stay. It's an experience that connects you to Sollefteå's past. Whether you're just shopping for a coffee or spending a night, Hotel Appelberg is a true historical gem in the heart of the town. In fact, Hotel Appelberg is the last building to end the Gågatan. But then there's like an extension where there is Café Petter and other nice beautiful buildings, but Gågatan ends there. This is the extension. There's Systembolaget, one of the more important buildings in the town. If you're looking for charm and character in Sollefteå, look no further than Café Petter, located inside the beloved Hemslöjdshuset. Built in 1898, this beautifully preserved wooden building was originally designed by Lars Niklas Wahrgren, the same architect behind the iconic Apotekshuset. With its traditional woodwork and historic facade, Hemslöjdshuset is a celebration of Swedish folk design and craftsmanship. No? Yeah, right? Your favorite journalist?
Yeah, hello, I'm famous.
Hello, you can be famous. What's your name?
Michael.
Michael? Where are you from?
Denmark.
Yeah. How long have you lived in Sollefteå?
Almost 2 years now. 1st of August it's gonna be 2 years.
1st of August?
Yeah.
Yeah. Happy 2 years in Sollefteå.
Yeah, thank you.
Which is your favorite building of Sollefteå? I'm doing a video about the buildings in Sollefteå today.
Actually, we're standing right in front of one of them.
Right? Yeah, it's really nice.
Also, if you go around to the back side, you see like amazing structure on the balconies and stuff like that. Always from the first day I took a hike.
Yeah.
It's like I was just standing looking and it's like, wow, this old wooden styles.
Yeah, so good.
And then there's like the old apothecary down there, like with the spire.
Yes.
It's so beautiful.
My favorite building is like a castle with the different spires. Yeah,
And then of course the buildings where I live up there. It's like
where you live?
Yeah.
Okay.
Also some old Swedish wooden style buildings. So amazing. It's like so they're so charming, and being from Denmark, like there's so many brick buildings and concrete, and it's just like cold, soulless.
Yeah.
So
okay. Thank you for that.
You're welcome.
Yeah. Wow. Today, it houses Café Petter, a warm and inviting place where you can enjoy coffee, pastries or lunch surrounded by handcrafted art and local textiles. Yeah. Wow, so nice. It's more than a cafe. It's a living tribute to northern Sweden's handcraft heritage. For decades, Hemslöjdshuset has served as a meeting place for artists, weavers and cultural creators. Stepping inside is like stepping into the soul of Sollefteå itself. It's cozy, creative and rich in tradition. And this is our little Gågatan. Really nice, really beautiful, really cozy. It feels like a small town, and actually people know each other. Now at this point people know me as well, or I know some people, and they just say hi and we just say hi. It's so cool. It is literally, we walk around, we pass each other and we say hi. And the sun is coming up. It is so beautiful. Hey Philip!
Hey!
Hey!
Hey Laura!
You have lived here now for a few years.
Yes.
Can you tell me what is a good place to eat here in Solleftea? What is your favorite place to eat?
Like I would prefer like grill house next to the big park and also house tabaret. Like
Yeah.
for a more fancy dinner.
Yeah, of course. And which would be a good place to fika? What's your favorite place?
I would say Café Petter or my buddy, but it's a bit... he's at the Galleria, like newly opened, but I would say Café Petter if you just want a chill place, because I like how it looks in it with books and,
Yeah.
small details.
And do you have a place where you can walk and relax?
Yeah, like I would prefer walk next to the river and you go to Hågastaden, go over a little bridge. You can even do some like outdoor gym things there. So yeah, I like to go there.
Thank you.
Thank you.
That was it from our Gågatan. There are cars coming about. Okay, let's do an outro. Thank you so much for being here on my video. I did a little quick stop at Jonna's, of course, at Jonna's shop to interview Philip, and it was so cool. But thank you all for watching, and I will see you next time. Greetings from the north. It is so beautiful, and the river